That idea that cars die at 150,000 miles is a myth. With the right care, they can easily go over 300,000. In this video, you'll learn how to make your car last longer and avoid expensive problems. We'll also expose a mistake that destroys turbo engines. And stay till the end, one simple tip can save you thousands. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Don't follow the manufacturer's oil change intervals. On paper, 10,000-mile oil changes sound great, but in reality, they can cost you your engine. Manufacturers recommend longer intervals to make cars seem cheaper, especially during warranty. But after 100,000 miles, the repair bill is yours. That's why experienced mechanics stick to around 5,000 miles or every 6 months with full synthetic, especially in tough driving conditions. Ignore this, and you risk serious engine damage that could cost thousands. And oil isn't the only fluid you shouldn't ignore. Habit number 2. Change your transmission fluid. Most drivers ignore their transmission until it starts slipping, and by then, you're not fixing it, you're replacing it. Transmission fluid quietly breaks down mile after mile, hiding metal shavings and clutch particles that grind your gears. Smart owners drain and fill every 60,000 miles, and always use OEM fluid, because cheap alternatives can ruin a transmission fast. Neglect it, and your car may start, but it won't go anywhere. Habit number 3. Coolant flush every 5 years or 50,000 meters. Most people think coolant lasts forever. It doesn't. Waiting 100,000 miles is a gamble you'll lose. Modern coolants last long, but after 5 years of heat cycles, they turn acidic and start corroding your engine. That means rotted water pumps. No matter the brand or hybrid system, once coolant breaks down, everything downstream is at risk. Smart owners flush it every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Habit number 4. Replace the timing belt before failure. Be honest. When was the last time you thought about your timing belt? Most of us ignore it until it's too late. This small belt controls critical engine parts, and if it breaks while driving, pistons can slam into valves, destroying the engine and costing $2,000 to $5,000 or more. Most cars need a new timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, or 7 to 10 years, whichever comes first. Even if you drive little, heat, oil, and time age the belt. Never wait for a noise or warning. Timing belts usually break silently. Replacing it on time is far cheaper and safer than waiting for a disaster. And while you're at it, there's another maintenance task you should do at the same time. Habit number 5. Keep spark plugs fresh. Did you know worn spark plugs can cut your fuel economy by up to 30%? Weak sparks mean poor fuel burn, less power, and more wasted gas. Most cars need new spark plugs every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Watch for rough, idle, slow starts, weak acceleration, or misfires. These are early warning signs. If your engine shakes or smells like fuel, don't ignore it. Staying on top of this simple maintenance can save you from expensive repairs. Habit number 6. Replace fuel filter at recommended intervals. As you drive daily, dirt and debris slowly clog your fuel filter, forcing the fuel pump to work harder until it eventually fails. A simple $40 filter change can save you from a $500 to $1,000 repair. Most cars need a new filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, while newer models can go longer. When replacing it, always relieve fuel pressure first and work in a well-ventilated area. And there's another tip most drivers never think about. Habit number 7. Brake fluid flush every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid might seem small, but it can decide how long your car survives. If you can't stop safely, you won't reach 300,000 miles. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point and making it dangerous under heat. This can lead to soft brakes, longer stopping distances, or even total brake failure. The good news is it's easy to check. A simple tester can show if moisture is too high. If it's over 3%, it's time to flush. Ignore it, and you're risking far more than just your car. Habit number 8. Regular differential and transfer case service. You might be wondering what the differential and transfer case do. They transfer power to the wheels and help your car turn and grip the road. Over time, their oil breaks down, leading to wear and damage. That's why experts recommend changing it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, especially for rear-wheel and all-wheel drive cars. The process is simple. Drain the old fluid and refill with the right one. And the next tip is even easier. Habit number 9. Check and clean mass airflow sensor. Your MAF sensor measures how much air enters the engine so the system can deliver the right amount of fuel. Over time, dust and oil buildup can affect its readings, causing poor performance. Common signs include rough idle, weak acceleration, bad fuel economy, stalling, or a check engine light. Before replacing it, try cleaning it. It can save you hundreds. Just remove the sensor, spray it with a proper MAF cleaner, let it dry, and reinstall. Avoid using harsh chemicals as they can damage it. Habit number 10, replace PCV valve. The PCV valve prevents harmful vapors from building up inside your engine, but over time it can clog or stick, leading to oil leaks, high oil consumption, and rough performance. Most cars need it replaced every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. If it fails, it can increase pressure and damage seals, costing you over $1,000, or cause the engine to burn excessive oil. The good news is it's cheap and easy to replace, usually just $10 to $20. Simply remove the old valve, install a new one, and check the hose for damage. Habit number 11, tire alignment every 15,000 meters or when steering feels off. 35% of drivers in America delay wheel alignment, but it can cost you more than you think. If your tires wear unevenly, your car pulls to one side, or the steering wheel sits crooked, your alignment is likely off. Ignoring it can shorten tire life by up to 30% and reduce fuel efficiency. It's not something you can fix at home. It requires proper equipment and usually costs around $75 to $100. A small price to keep your car driving straight and lasting longer. Habit number 12, avoid cold revving. Cold revving is one of the fastest ways to damage your engine. When cold, oil is thick and hasn't circulated, so revving forces metal parts to grind together, wearing down pistons, camshafts, and bearings. The right approach is simple. Start your car, let it idle 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently, keeping RPMs under 3,000 until the engine warms. Turbo engines are especially sensitive. Poor habits here can destroy 90% of turbochargers. Don't rush your car's warm-up, or it'll cost you dearly. Habit number 13, wash undercarriage every season, especially in winter. Skipping undercarriage washes is a big mistake. Road salt, mud, and grime speed up rust, damaging brake lines, suspension, exhaust, and your car's frame. Wash at least once per season or monthly in snowy areas. Another tip, keep a logbook. Track every oil change, tire rotation, and filter replacement. It helps spot issues early, proves you care to shops, and adds value when selling. A simple notebook or phone app can save you thousands and keep your car running longer.